Right, let's have a look at the tech-free solutions. Move it there. 45 minus negative 59 plus negative 7 becomes 48 plus 59 minus 7 becomes 100. 48 and 59 is 107. Then negative 4 times 6 divided by negative 8 times 12, negative 12. Negative 24 divided by negative 8, that's 4 times there. Start from the left. Negative 24 divided by 8, that becomes 3. Negative divided by negative, multiplied by negative 12, and the answer is 3 times negative 12, negative 36. Number sentence, again, this is an example of answer in context. So it's degrees, so you've got to answer in degrees. Just want a number sentence. Started at 19, went up by 6, went down by 5. 25 minus 5 is 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Simplify the following. A couple of people made a mistake here. A few people made a mistake. This is minus, so it becomes 2 over 5 minus 5 over 7. 35 is the LCD. 14 minus 25, negative 11 over 35. Part B, 3B. 7 over 9 times 3 over 5 times 2 over 3. The 3 goes out here and the 3 goes out here. 2 times 7 equals 14 and 5 9s 45. Question 4, both of these are non-terminating. That's what the dots mean. They don't terminate. Non-terminating. Okay, 11.6 as a fraction. 11.6, you would put it over 10, but that gives you a mixed number. So what you're looking for, to bring this to a whole number, you multiply it by 10, so you multiply this by 10. And you've still got your improper fraction, but you've got your fraction. You were asked to express it as a fraction, okay, as a fraction. 18 cents as a percentage of $6, that's 18 out of 600. One amount as a percentage over another amount, you multiply by 100. That's like the test score. Remember the 37 out of 40? One over the other, multiply by 100, that's 3%. Evaluate, you just multiply it, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in the question. So you must have 4 in the answer, right? So when you multiply it out, you get 0.85, oh, we don't get 0.8536. Then you come across 1, 2, 3, 4, put your decimal point, which is fixed last, and becomes 0.8536. Here, you're trying to make the divisor a whole number. So you multiply this by 10, right, becomes 2. So you've shifted the decimal point. Then you've got to do the same to this, multiply it by 10, shift the decimal point to here. So you write it out as your division sum. There's your decimal point there, and you put it up there, and it's fixed, and you just do your division sum. Now, writing the following as a percentage, 2 ways you can do it. You can set it up as a division sum, because that's 2 divided by 5. So you've got 2 points, just keep adding zeros, and put your decimal point there, and then add it. So it equals 0.4 or 40% or 2/5. You would get that goes into itself once, goes into that 20 times. So it'd be 40% either way. And it's the same here. Put your decimal point or do it as your fraction and you end up with 15%. This one here is one single question, so it's just one answer. Here, 2 steps, 54 out of 100. Simplifies down to 27 over 50. 32 out of 100, it's going to be 32, answers in dollars. This one here, 12 PQS. Here, you're multiplying 6 8's 48, A squared, and BC. Here you cancel out the F's. 3, 9 goes into this, and it goes into 27 3 times. So you're left with 3E. And here, you're just cancelling down 15 over 40. 5 goes into that 3 times, goes into that 8 times. And then y squared goes y goes into y squared, y times. The x's cancel out, and then you're left with z on the bottom, 3y over 8z. The area of a rectangle, This is the length and this is the width. There's always length times width. So the length is 4 plus A times B. So you could have that as B times 4 plus A, or you could have it as 4B plus A. So the area of this one plus the area of this one. Okay,